Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the stunning beach and bikini fashion choices of the one and only Kiara Advani. Known for her impeccable style, Kiara never fails to impress, even when she's soaking up the sun by the sea. Let's get started. First up, let's talk bikinis. Kiara's collection is nothing short of fabulous. From vibrant prints to classic solids, she effortlessly rocks every style. Whether it's a high-cut two-piece or a chic halter neck, she knows how to make a splash. Her beach wardrobe is incomplete without those flowy, stylish cover-ups. Whether it's a sheer maxi dress or a breezy kimono, she adds that touch of elegance to her beach look. Her choice of eyewear is always on point. From oversized frames to retro cat eye styles, she knows how to shield herself from the sun in absolute glamour. Kiara loves to elevate her beach looks with stylish hats, statement earrings, and delicate anklets. She effortlessly embraces the trend with plunging necklines, cutouts, and bold patterns. These one-piece wonders showcase her confidence and style, making her a beach fashion icon. Kiara is not afraid to play with colors and prints. From vibrant florals to eye-catching geometrics, her bikini collection is a burst of joy. She proves that a pop of color is the perfect accessory for any beach day. The actress often channels retro vibes with her bikini choices. High-waisted bottoms, polka dots, and vintage-inspired cuts, she effortlessly brings back the glamour of yesteryears to the sandy shores. She is also known for her love of active wear at the beach. Sporty bikinis, rash guards, and stylish swim shorts, she seamlessly combines fashion with functionality, making a statement while staying active. The actress effortlessly brings a touch of boho chic to the beach. Fringes, crochet details, and earthy tones, she creates a mesmerizing fusion of free-spirited bohemian style with the carefree atmosphere of the seaside. Monochrome magic is another feather in her beach fashion cap. Whether it's an all-white ensemble against the blue waves or a sleek black bikini under the golden sun, she proves that simplicity can be incredibly sophisticated. She skillfully pairs different tops and bottoms, creating unique combinations that showcase her creativity and eye for fashion. It's like a fashion show on the shoreline. She's often spotted in eco-friendly and sustainable swimwear, proving that you can be both stylish and mindful of the environment. Kiara isn't afraid to switch it up with high-neck bikinis. Whether it's a sporty design or a more sophisticated cut, she brings an element of elegance to the beach, proving that modesty can be just as alluring. Ruffles take center stage in her beach wardrobe. From delicate frills to bold cascading waves, she adds a playful and feminine touch to her bikini collection, creating looks that are both charming and chic. Her travel diaries wouldn't be complete without destination-ready swimwear. Tropical prints, exotic patterns, and culturally inspired designs, she curates bikinis that perfectly complement the scenic beauty of her beach getaways. Accessorizing is a key element of her beach style. Retro-inspired sunglasses, wide-brimmed hats, and vintage-inspired jewelry, she knows how to elevate her bikini looks with accessories that transport us to another era. The actress embraces the art of cutouts with finesse. From intricate designs to strategic placements, her bikinis showcase a modern and daring take on swimwear, proving that a well-placed cutout can be the epitome of beach sophistication. The actress takes it up a notch with customized cover-ups, matching sarongs, sheer robes, and embroidered tunics. Each piece is carefully chosen to complement her bikini, creating a seamless transition from sand to stroll. Her bikini collection is an art gallery in itself. Bold artistic prints, watercolor designs, and abstract patterns, she turns her beachwear into a canvas, making a fashion statement that's both expressive and visually stunning. She often nods to nautical themes. Stripes, anchors, and maritime motifs find their way into her bikini choices, creating looks that effortlessly blend classic maritime style with contemporary beach glamour. Kiara doesn't shy away from embellishments when it comes to her bikinis. Beads, sequins, and intricate embroidery add a touch of glamour to her swimwear, transforming her beach looks into dazzling masterpieces. Texture plays a pivotal role in her beach repertoire. Whether it's ribbed fabrics, crochet detailing, or textured patterns, she elevates her bikinis with tactile elements, creating visual interest that catches the eye in every seaside snapshot. The actress effortlessly incorporates asymmetry into her bikini choices. From one-shoulder tops to uneven hemlines, she embraces the beauty of imbalance, adding a modern twist to her beach ensembles that's both avant-garde and captivating. She takes strides towards sustainability. Her bikinis often feature eco-friendly fabrics, recycled materials, and designs that reflect her commitment to a greener, more ethical approach to style. Lace takes center stage in her bikini collection. Delicate, intricate, and also feminine, she incorporates lace elements that add a touch of romance to her beach looks. Whether it's a lace-up detail or an entire lace ensemble, it's all about subtle allure. The actress masterfully navigates the world of multi-straps in her bikini choices. Whether crisscrossing the back or creating intricate patterns, these multi-strap designs not only provide a secure fit but also showcase her flair for avant-garde fashion. Sheer fabrics make a stunning appearance in her beach repertoire. From sheer panels to entire sheer cover-ups, she plays with transparency, adding an element of mystery and sophistication to her swimwear. A personalized touch is always present in her bikini fashion. Customized monograms, initials, or subtle logos on her swimwear create a signature look that's uniquely hers, proving that beach fashion can be both personal and luxurious. Fringe takes on an exotic twist in Kiara's beachwear saga. Whether it's long, cascading fringe on a bikini top or playful tassels on bottoms, she adds a sense of movement and allure, turning every beach stroll into a runway. The actress effortlessly introduces metallic accents into her beach wardrobe. Gold, silver, or bronze embellishments elevate her bikinis, catching the sunlight in the most glamorous way. It's a touch of luxury that transforms her seaside looks into red carpet-worthy ensembles. Wraparound designs become a canvas for her creativity. Bikini tops that wrap around in innovative ways, creating unique and eye-catching silhouettes, she proves that beach fashion can be as intricate and thoughtfully designed as any haute couture piece. Artistry meets swimwear with her penchant for artistic cutwork. Intricate patterns and designs carved into the fabric add a bespoke touch to her bikinis, showcasing her commitment to turning every beach outing into a fashion spectacle. The actress doesn't shy away from adding a touch of opulence to her beach attire. Bejeweled embellishments on bikini straps, cups, or bottoms bring a sense of luxury to her swimwear, turning the sandy shore into her own runway adorned with precious gems. Draping takes center stage in her bikini collection. Whether it's a delicately draped top or cascading fabric on bottoms, she introduces an element of softness and sophistication, proving that beachwear can be as graceful as an evening gown. The actress often draws inspiration from nature, incorporating motifs like shells, palm leaves, and sea creatures into her bikinis. These intricate details not only pay homage to the beach environment but also infuse her swimwear with a sense of harmony and natural beauty. Versatility is key in Kiara's beach wardrobe. She often opts for convertible bikinis with adjustable straps or detachable elements, allowing her to effortlessly switch up her look and adapt to different beach scenarios with ease. Velvet finds its way into her beach wardrobe, bringing a touch of luxury to the sandy shores. Whether it's a velvet bikini top or bottoms, she effortlessly combines sophistication with seaside allure, proving that comfort and opulence can coexist. Her love for craftsmanship extends to handcrafted crochet designs in her bikinis. Delicate crochet patterns adorn her swimwear, adding a bohemian charm that's both timeless and on-trend, creating an aesthetic that's as captivating as moonlit waves. Geometry takes center stage in Kiara's beach repertoire. Bikinis adorned with precise geometric patterns and shapes showcase her attention to detail, creating visually striking silhouettes that play with symmetry and form. Ruffles take on a new dimension with tiered designs in her collection. Whether it's a tiered ruffle bikini top or a cascading ruffled bottom, she transforms her beach looks into a playful and dynamic visual feast. Transparent tulle takes a prominent role in her bikini collection. Subtle, sheer layers add a touch of sensuality and sophistication to her swimwear, creating an ethereal quality that's both alluring and refined. Kiara's bikinis become a canvas for hand-painted artistry. Whether it's delicate brushstrokes or bold strokes of color, she transforms her swimwear into wearable masterpieces, showcasing her appreciation for art even against the backdrop of the ocean waves. Feathers make a dramatic entrance into her beachwear narrative. Whether adorning bikini straps or creating a feathered hemline, she adds a touch of whimsy and flair that dances with the ocean breeze. Sculptural knots become a design element in her bikini fashion. Whether strategically placed on bikini tops or forming eye-catching details on bottoms, she introduces a three-dimensional aspect that elevates her beach looks into works of wearable art. Meticulous mesh takes center stage in her swimwear saga. Intricate mesh panels strategically placed on bikinis create a playful yet sophisticated peek-a-boo effect, showcasing her mastery in combining boldness with elegance. Kiara adds a touch of femininity with ribbon embellishments. Whether adorning bikini ties or creating delicate bows, she introduces a sweet and charming element that adds a romantic flair to her beach looks. Sequins make a dazzling appearance in her bikini collection. Whether scattered for a subtle shimmer or arranged in bold patterns, she turns her swimwear into a canvas of sparkle, ensuring she glistens under the sun. Appliques become a whimsical addition to Kiara's beachwear aesthetic. Intricate floral, tropical, or abstract appliques add a dimension of artistry, turning her bikinis into a garden of visual delights. Lace-up designs take center stage in her beach ensemble. Whether it's a bikini top adorned with delicate laces or bottoms featuring crisscross details, she introduces an element of alluring sophistication that's as captivating as the twilight sky. Sculptural drapes become a design signature in Kiara's swimwear collection. Flowing fabric that wraps around with artistic precision adds an element of drama and grace, turning her beach looks into a mesmerizing visual symphony. Her attention to detail shines through in hand-finished beading. Tiny beads meticulously sewn into intricate patterns adorn her bikinis, creating a subtle yet impactful texture that adds a touch of luxury to her beachwear. Peek-a-boo cutouts add a hint of playfulness to her bikini choices. Strategically placed openings create visual interest and showcase her flair for modern design, turning her beach ensemble into a conversation piece. Holographic hues make a dazzling appearance in Kiara's swimwear collection. Shimmering, iridescent fabrics create a celestial glow, transforming her bikinis into ethereal pieces that reflect the beauty of the starlit night. Braided designs take on a new brilliance in her beachwear saga. Elaborate braided straps, intricate patterns, and woven elements add a touch of artisanal charm, turning her bikinis into wearable works of handcrafted art. Her bikinis often feature adjustable elements that add a layer of versatility to her beach looks. From adjustable straps to convertible designs, she ensures that each piece adapts to the unique rhythm of her style and the beach environment. Tropical embroidery blooms across Kiara's swimwear. Exquisite floral and palm motifs intricately embroidered onto her bikinis bring a touch of paradise to the beach, creating looks that are both sophisticated and whimsical. The actress embraces futuristic fabrics in her bikinis. From metallic finishes to high-tech textiles, she adds a touch of modernity to her beach looks, creating ensembles that seem like they've been transported from a fashion-forward future. Crystal embellishments bring a touch of clarity and sparkle to her swimwear. Whether it's Swarovski crystals adorning bikini straps or scattered across the fabric, she transforms her beach looks into glistening reflections of elegance. Kiara's love for versatility extends to convertible couture in her bikinis. Multifunctional pieces that can be worn in different ways showcase her ingenuity, allowing her to reinvent her beach style with each wear. Ethereal fronts dance across Kiara's swimwear. Delicate front patterns, whether printed or embroidered, add a touch of tropical whimsy, creating bikinis that capture the essence of a beachside paradise. Kiara's swimwear transcends with metallic mesh magic. Intricate patterns of metallic mesh not only catch the sunlight but also create an illusion of celestial constellations, turning her bikinis into cosmic canvases. Cosmic cutouts take center stage in her beach repertoire. Intriguing shapes and designs strategically placed on her bikinis add an element of mystery, making her beach looks as enigmatic as the depths of the cosmos. Nebula-inspired prints burst onto Kiara's swimwear canvas. Swirling colors and cosmic patterns bring a sense of otherworldly beauty to her bikinis, creating looks that are as captivating as a journey through the stars. A galactic sequin story unfolds in Kiara's beachwear saga. Sequins arranged in celestial patterns add a touch of cosmic glamour, ensuring that she shines as brightly as the stars against the beach horizon. Kiara introduces luminous lurex fabrics into her bikinis, creating an ethereal shimmer reminiscent of twilight. The interplay of metallic threads adds a touch of celestial elegance, making her beach looks glow like a canvas touched by the fading sun. Crescent moon embellishments grace her swimwear, adding a touch of celestial symbolism to her bikinis. Whether embroidered or adorned with delicate jewels, these crescent moons create a magical connection between fashion and the cosmos. Starlit straps become a celestial detail in Kiara's beach repertoire. Intricate designs resembling constellations adorn the straps of her bikinis, ensuring that she carries a piece of the starry night with her wherever she goes. The actress embraces twilight ombre hues in her swimwear palette. The gradual transition from dusk to nightfall adds a sense of enchantment to her bikinis, capturing the mesmerizing beauty of the twilight sky. Kiara introduces illusion lace accents into her bikinis, creating an ethereal and sophisticated allure. Delicate lace patterns strategically placed on swimwear provide a touch of mystique, making her beach looks both romantic and captivating. Dreamcatcher details adorn her swimwear, adding a whimsical and bohemian charm. Whether as part of a print or a delicate embellishment, dreamcatcher motifs create a connection to the spirit of adventure and dreamy beach vibes. The actress plays with horizon gradients in her bikini choices, mirroring the transition from the sky to the sea. The subtle blending of colors adds depth and visual interest, creating a harmonious connection between her swimwear and the vast expanse of the ocean. Enigmatic beading takes center stage in Kiara's beach repertoire. Intricately beaded patterns on her bikinis evoke a sense of mystery, capturing the essence of a twilight beach where every bead tells a story. Celestial halos become a celestial detail in her bikinis. Delicate halos, reminiscent of lunar crowns, add an ethereal touch to her swimwear, creating a connection between the celestial allure and beach elegance. A sequined moonlit path unfolds in Kiara's beach repertoire. Sequins strategically placed to mimic moonlight reflections on water add a touch of sparkle, turning her bikinis into a luminous pathway that captivates under the night sky. Midnight silk drapes cascade through her swimwear collection. Flowing silk, in deep midnight hues, creates a sense of luxurious movement, turning her bikinis into elegant silhouettes against the moonlit backdrop. The actress introduces constellation lace into her bikinis, featuring delicate patterns reminiscent of starry nights. The intricate lacework adds a celestial touch, making each bikini a unique piece of wearable art. Kiara Advani's beach and bikini fashion choices are a perfect blend of chic, comfortable, and trendy. Whether she's walking along the shoreline or lounging by the pool, she always manages to turn heads with her impeccable style. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.